Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys. It was a peaceful day in town until something shiny caught a thief's eye. Under the cover of night, a mysterious figure crept toward the red car. NANI? The car blinked in surprise. Someone was trying to steal it. Vroom! The thief sped off with the car, disappearing into the darkness. But wait! The police officer heard the alarm and jumped into action. A wild car chase raced through the city streets. The thief veered off-road, straight into the jungle. He found a hidden cave, perfect for hiding the stolen car. The police arrived at the cave, but the thief was gone. Tire tracks. Something suspicious is going on. Suddenly, a cheerful excavator rolled up, ready to help.
Did someone call for digging help?
They teamed up, police and excavator, the perfect pair. With a mighty scoop, the excavator cleared the cave entrance. Inside, the thief tried to cover the car with rocks and vines. But the poor red car whispered, "Help me!
Help me!"
Boom! The wall broke open. The heroes had arrived. The thief dashed deeper into the cave, but he wasn't fast enough. The police officer blocked his path with a heroic leap. The excavator gently lifted the car from its hiding spot.
You found me!
You found me! The car beamed with joy.
Oh, fiddlesticks!
Slip! The thief fell into a muddy puddle, just as slippery.
Not again! All right, son. You know the drill. It's not the end of the world, just a little detour.
Together, the heroes and the rescued car rolled out of the cave. Back in town, everyone cheered for the brave team. And so, the police, the excavator, and the red car proved teamwork saves the day. Thank you for watching. See you!